Standard 8, Chapter number 6, Human Resources, Part 3, Density of Population. What does density of population means? The average number of people living in per square kilometer is termed as the density of population. That means a individual person, how much area a person gets in the country because of the area having in the country is known as density. Population density is associated with social, economic and geographical conditions. Area and region or the world, the developing nations and India. Developed nations means the countries or nations which are totally developed and which gets each and every facilities easily. Developing nations means the countries which are still developing, which are increasing its economic conditions, which are increasing or developing their basic facilities are considered as developing nations. India, right now it is in developing nations, but it is way that it will be in developed nations in few more years. The average growth rate in year 2005 to 10 has been increased in developing nation, whereas it is decreased in developed nation. The life expectancy in the year in male and female of the world is 65 years and whereas female is 69 years. In developed nation, they have high life 73 years and 80 years for male and female in developed nation, as there are more facilities available in developed nation comparing to developing nation. Whereas the life expectancy in developing nation is 63 years for male and 67 years for female. If we talk about India, the life expectancy is 63.3 and 66 for female. So we can say that the life expectancy of female is more than male. The top 10 countries in terms of population are China, number 1, second is India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia and Japan. These top 10 countries were decided in 2008. According to this information of all the countries, if we estimate the terms of population in 2050, the rank of all the countries are changed. In 2050, there is estimation that India becomes number 1 in terms of population and China becomes the second. As China has made a policy of having one child, there to decrease the birth rate in their country. India, then China, then USA, then Indonesia, then fifth rank will be Pakistan. It turns from 6th to 5th. Then Nigeria, Brazil will go to 7th place, Bangladesh, Congo and Philippines. This is the estimated population in terms of the information get in the 2001. According to this, India becomes number 1 till 2050, which gives more pressure to the government to give facility to each and every person of the country, to give more employment, education, health facility, food and water facility, electricity, etc. Population are different from country to country. In our country, the region and state don't have the same population. There is no uniformity for population. We cannot make the rules that in this region there will be only this number of population or this number of population. We cannot control that. So we can say that each country, state and region has different population. Population density is high in fertile alluvial plains of river, delta, industrial area, etc. As we have learned in last year that the density or the population is high in the alluvial soil or the fertile land, because at that place people get more facilities for farming and vast land to live. They can also get water from the river and deltas. Therefore, in North India, population is more comparing to other states of the India. On the other hand, population is low in areas like desert, mountain and forest due to unfavorable conditions. The areas like where deserts and mountains are high, the population is low because people cannot get all the facilities and they cannot survive easily at this type of places. Therefore, according to geographical conditions of the country, population is different in each and every country. If we talk about Gujarat, the top 5 districts having more population. The first is Ahmedabad, second is Surat, third is Vadodara, Rajkot and Banaskantha. These are the districts where highest populations are living in Gujarat. If we talk about the density population of these 5 districts, Surat ranks first because people get more space than other state. Ahmedabad ranks second according to per square kilometer. Surat is larger than Ahmedabad. Then third rank is Anand, then Gandhinagar and Navsari, where people per person gets 1376 square kilometer in Surat, 890 square kilometer in Ahmedabad and 602 square kilometer in Navsari. Per person, this square kilometer area is available for the population of the country. Factors affecting the density of population: as population increases, people needs more space, bigger house and bigger and greater facilities. So the density becomes lower. The density of population is affected by various geographical factors like altitude, climate, weather, topography, types of crops, availability of minerals, water and energy, etc. The people where get more facilities, they will migrate to that place. So as population increase in that place, people get less area to survive. Along with transport and communication facilities, education and health facilities, industrialization, employment opportunities, urbanization, etc. affect the density of population. Nowadays, people wants their child to get more and more educations and wants to live in urban areas and with latest technology. Therefore, people from village are transporting or migrating to the urban area or to the cities and town where population is, because of this population increase. For employment purpose also people are migrating from villages to cities. Therefore, it creates a large population in urban areas and government has to give more facilities in this type of areas. Therefore, the density of per person is decreased. 5 states having maximum population are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. These 5 states of India are having more population. The 5 states and Union territories having least population are Lakshadweep Island, Diu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Sikkim. As we have discussed earlier that where geographical conditions are unfavorable, there are less population. For example, Lakshadweep Island, people cannot get each and every facility in this type of island. In Andaman Nicobar Island, in areas of Sikkim where there is great forest and low facilities. So the population is less in this type of areas. The factors increasing population is birth rate and death rate. Total lives birth in 1 year per 1000 person in a given area is known as birth rate. How many persons are born in per 1000 person is known as birth rate. Past few years, birth rate in India has been constantly declining. People exercise family planning more than before. In today's term, after getting education and health facilities, and after knowing the economic conditions of the country, people are exercising family planning. Before that, there was no family planning, and people used to live in joint family and bigger family. Therefore, the population was increasing. Now, people are preferring small family with one or two child and giving them the best facilities so that they can get high facilities and economic conditions can be stable. People exercise family planning. In the rural areas, the implementation of family planning is much lesser due to lack of education. In village, there is lack of education, health facility, and poverty. Therefore, people cannot understand the meaning of family planning, and there is high birth rate in rural areas than urban area. This is the comparison between birth rate and death rate. Increase in population, uh, reason behind is high birth rate and less death rate. If there is steady population, that means there is balanced birth rate and death rate. And if population is decreasing, that means there is less birth rate and high death rate. According to this picture, we can understand the meaning of population, how it is increasing and decreasing in our country. As birth rate is decreasing, death rate is also an important factor for the population of the country. If health facilities are given properly, then death rate is decreased. Number of death in 1 year per thousand person is specific area is termed as death rate. The one who takes birth dies too, hence the death rate can never be stopped. We can make control on birth rate, but we cannot make control on death rate. Various research and medical treatments, medicines, vaccination controls the disease, but we cannot stop the death rate. Therefore, it is also a factor after the population of the country. In next part, we will learn about the other factors of population, which includes migration, population composition, age structure,